Live from Las Vegas. Fox 5 News This Morning starts right now.
Ready to grab the family and explore the world? Maybe meet the best bartender? Well, up next, we're going to talk with a social media expert on apps you need before taking a vacation.
All right, so taking a trip this summer? Well, Tracy Repchuk is a best-selling author and an online marketing and technology expert. She is here with 3 travel apps that every family needs. Tracy, how you doing?
I'm doing awesome, Monica.
Good. Thank you for being here. Okay, first of all, I got to ask you, why wouldn't we use Google? Why would we take your recommendations?
Okay, well, there are 5 billion iPad, iPhone users, right?
Yeah.
And there's only 2 billion computer users.
Okay.
And it's really frustrating to use Google because you can get hundreds of searches that don't apply, right?
Right.
With
yeah.
this, an app is fast, easy, and gives you all the information and resources you need all in one place.
Okay, yeah, you're good at this. I can tell right away because I would not know what to do. Okay, the first one you talk about is Packing List free app. What is that?
Okay, so every time you go out, right, you've got to pack. It's incredibly worrisome. You're worried that you're going to get to the beach. Nobody has the suntan lotion.
Right.
Right? So this helps you. 300 items are preloaded.
Oh, that's nice.
You don't even have to think anymore. You just tick off what you need.
Okay.
You can send it to the printer, and then everything's done. And you can do it by person, by season, by day trip, by week, by
this is good
destination.
stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, you got what before leaving, cut off the water, lock the windows, lock the doors, turn off the air conditioning. That's good stuff.
Who would
Wash
think
the
about
dishes.
this?
Yeah, nobody thinks about that. You're in vacation
turn off
mode.
the gas? What a great idea.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, the second one is Gas Buddy. We're familiar with Gas Buddy.
Exactly. Well, you guys have Pump Patrol, right?
Right.
So I'm later in the day, though, right? I need to know what's happening. So I just hit Gas Buddy.
Okay.
This brings up all of the pricing you need instantly, and then it tells you which gas station has the cheapest price.
Right.
You click on it, gets you the directions, you go to it, and every single time now that you're filling up your car with gas, you're saving money.
Very good. All right, and that's what we want to hear. Saving money, right? Okay, I think this is the biggest one. Hotel Tonight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So no matter where you're going, right? You're driving along. You don't really know how far you're going to get in the day.
Right.
So you click on Hotel Tonight. And what happens is at noon, all of the rooms release. Okay, so you're in Chicago, you're right here in Las Vegas, doesn't matter. The rooms release, and you get the lowest price guaranteed every single time for a room. So you know where you're going to be, you click on it. Now, unlike, remember when we used to have those green coupon books? And we'd be driving along, we'd be flipping through those, right?
Yes, I do.
And then you get there, and I'm sorry, all of those rooms are sold out.
Right.
You have got your room locked and loaded, and you don't have to pay the rack rate.
All right, I like that. I'm going to download that one.
Yeah.
Hotel Tonight. Tracy, thank you so much. We appreciate you being here.
Thanks, Monica.
All right, absolutely. 7:51 right now. The weather is a change, and time to check in with Ted.
Yeah.